ụbọchị tata bụ ụbọchị akara aka maka na ndị be anyị si na anyị akara aka a na-eri ngwụrọ ife na-eme taa bụ ife nrịba ama ọka emere mbụ omegodu mbụ o mere etu o si eme tata ọ bụrụ na ụnụ na-ekwu na mmiri ezogo amara Chineke nyere anyị n'ụbọchị tata biko anyị na-azụ onye ọbụla nọsie ike n'ebe ị nọ oge na-etere aka anyị ga-akwụnyere onye ọbụla ugwu nke dị ya maka na ụbọchị tata bụ ụbọchị ndị Igbo. Ana m asị ụnụ mmiri ata na-ama azụ anwụ na ọ na-awọ biko anyị na-ekele ndị eze n'ogbu ha n'oge na-etere aka anyị ga-akwụrụ ụmụ ugwu niile ụnụ maka na daghị isi aka wara aka ụlọ ụmụ dị mma ụmụ amaka. Anyị na-ekele ndị nna anyị, anyị na-ekele nwoke na nwaanyị, anyị na-ekele ndị isi obodo steeti unions, anyị na-ekele ụmụ nwaanyị ụmụ nwoke ndị obodo Naijiria. Anyị na-asụ ụlọ nnọọ biko nwaanyị ọma bịa hụo n'ime ndụrụ m ịbata ndụrụ afọ mmiri ada Igbo biko ka agba anyị ọgba na-egwu agbara ọgba.
The election that we're celebrating today is the person of DIG Obara himself. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
I'm going to inaugurate our
What's your advice for the new people that want to inaugurate? What's your advice for them?
My advice is that according to our very promising, yes, that we should give up that a lot of people have more expectations and they are looking forward to seeing us these expectations being accomplished. And my advice is that we should never leave any goal.
Okay, with the new, what you just said now, what are you expecting when they inaugurate the new?
I am expecting to see a new and a well-transformed academic because this is the beginning of an era. Accountability.
Equal chairman of local government, biko ebe ọ bụ na ị nọ
VP Data will welcome
ị na-eta
VP Data will welcome you.
High Chief AES
njọ call your attention a na-achọghị achọ in essential commodity anyị na-achọghị achọ high cheap essential commodity.
Biko ụmụ nwaanyị anyị niile biko nunu were nunu oche biko unu amaka beautiful ladies unu amaka unu rọdụ na biko.
Everything is standing around by choice. Each of in this book, my vision can you by the You're welcome to the circle of champions. People that people under.
Our leaders, they are here. We can't start. I ain't get we don't do this inside. We don't want anyone standing around the high table.
You can see what is happening here today. Before, we are not more than 30 or 40 executives. But today, we are almost 1,200. So we are increasing. And once we are increasing, there will be more development in Lagos State of
Chukwu na ya runu niile n'otu n'otu n'aha Jizọs. Ndị chairman anyị ha special guest Chukwu gọzie unu niile.
Can you put something on the website? Yeah. You know, I like the man and women I don't remember as the Sasuna Beketa, but not as people. But I can't imagine what I call dramatic equilibrium. But I'm going to stop what I call dramatic Ohanese people. Because it's Ohanese Kaka. I'm a little man of Simon and people can go back to them. Also, people are watching number. Another name for people on a number. You put it on you, put it on. Go back to the ask them now, how far is that when you keep on people beginning on a number of begging? We are the tribe of Israel. But you want to watch it. There is not a group of people in Nigeria. So, since one way you are, on that name, what will they know? Over the French are more than over the Embassy, over the French are Manda, over the French are Mexico, over the French are Manda, over the French are Manda States. Even over the Lagos, over the French are over the Lagos. But the first thing you make in the Lagos is the traffic of all of this road. The head of witches and wizards, they are not going to come on your sash. But the members of the Lagos, they cannot look at the pure water. I get the chinchin, I get the bread. If I don't Only Okalonso, if you can buy banana, plantain cheese. If I talk about banana, come in by bypass. He can rima pre. If I talk about banana, go to see you. If you can one, you can
Solomon.
Yes,
So now more about the President General Hanese, Session Randy Waladia. Tibaunu Kunyem, Ukaposa, Sobodia. Onye Walaoye, the Lord, Adawaji. Madame, I Sylvia, Manelai, Before President, you can never buy Cavano do Mayo. You can never Cavano do Mayo. Because I ought to go to see Egypt. I am a never tata. Tuku Merife, Nandiese, Eddie Godia Aka, Owebabu Tayaba. Omo is your time, Tata. Yabo is your time, Omo your foible. Achoba, Nibo, when you get in Nigeria. Or the rock with Lonia Kiakita. Since Alex Memo, Yabo to other gonna be. When I see the gun, I put in penny line and Tata. Kai ije ojianeje kai kunye robera ebere lojia ka ojia no andini na ije nya boju we je na boju de ebere kai gama ni opa no che unu ara na yo ja
So our brothers who don't understand what he's saying,
North is planted in the west, food extensively in the north, and highly visualized in the east. Whatever is said, just said is that there's going to be progress, there's going to be peace, and there's going to be unity.
Inauguration of the new executive of will you please pay a little bit more attention next noise so you know why we are here today? Since the President General, the present President General, Chief Dr. Niamo, he has successfully carried out election, which has brought peace into the affairs of related people in Lagos. We are here now to inaugurate the executive. And as you will soon find out, the new chairman of Fortaleza in Lagos is Chief Solomon Bona Adonai. The party of leadership has been handed over to him. He has an assignment. He has duty. And that duty is to put together the group that will pilot the affairs of our nation in Lagos. He will need your support. He will need your cooperation. Not only from the equal group here, but even from non-equal groups that live around the past. As we progress with this ceremony, we will get to know more details. I therefore call on the Fortaleza President General, Chief Dr. Niamoto. You will go! You will come down! Chimunti Bank is ever back. Bukani, Doni, Ndokunu, Namanyera Manye, Nobi Kunu, Webuta, Ababundi Gani, Duani, na Lagos, anyị bụ ndị ọhaneze. Ọ bụ uche na tupu anyị emere ife ọbụla n'ife ijije anyị ga-eme bụ ka anyị kpọpụta ndị ọkaiwu. Amara m ma Baristokoli si na Kokido Nigeria nọ n'ebe a. Anyị kpọpụta ya na ndị otie kapa bịa duo ndụ anyị iyi. Anyị duzie ebe anyị iyi nwa na-aba abanyego n'ọkwa. The very fact that we'll stand on all existing protocol, and just like the President General had said, we will call out the President of Fortaleza Lagos State, administer the oath of office on him. Then after that, the rest of the executive will come together and we would administer the oath jointly so that we would not put the house waiting on duty. So without I will do and he will repeat after me. Yes. President. That as President of Fortaleza Igbo, Lagos State, Nigeria.
President of Fortaleza Igbo, Nigeria.
Lagos State, Nigeria.
Lagos State, Nigeria.
I will discharge my duties.
I will discharge my duties
to the best of my ability.
To the best of my ability.
faithfully,
and in accordance with the Constitution
according to the Constitution
of Ohanese Igbo, Lagos, and the Constitution of Ohanese Igbo worldwide,
and the Constitution of Ohanese Igbo worldwide,
that I will bear true allegiance
that will bear true allegiance
to the Ohanese Igbo worldwide,
to the Ohanese Igbo worldwide,
with headquarters at 7 Park Lane, Enugu. With headquarters at 7 Park Lane, Enugu.
At 7 Park Lane, Enugu.
As the apex body. Speaking for Igbo race. I will not only do anything. To bring me and my executive committee. In conflict with the Ohanese Igbo worldwide. That I will not allow my personal interests.
To
influence my official conduct. Or official decisions. As president. And that I will devote myself. During my tenure of office. To the service and well-being of Ohanese Igbo leaders. In particular. And the entire Igbo race. I will uphold and respect the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Actually, you know, the executive union member Bakanga, please say a little bit, please. Nana Zoom.
All the ESCO members should please come up.
All the ESCOs.
State executive. So you take the back page and return the two for your good record about take the last page and then return.
So please just sit down quietly. We will come round, our secretary will come round to collect it. Right away.
The President General of Ohanese Igbo worldwide, Chief Dr. Nyambo. Other distinguished Igbo leaders who are here, I will only name a few. We have Okpari Ibuku. Dr. Fanadora. He died
What are you expecting from her?
I expect her to do very good work so that people will, after her tenure, which is 4 years, people will stamp her name in the book of yes.
What what's your advice? What's your advice for the new executives?
Yes, to encourage them, to support them. There are some normally in an election there must be a winner. I urge the losers to cooperate, and even the winners to bring them in so that they work as a team.
Yes, so great where ụbọchị taa ka ndị Igbo nwee ike ofu onwe ha n'anya, anyị nwee ike iji ofu obi nwee ike iwepụta onye ya bụ onye na-achị anyị bụrụ onye na-edu anyị, anyị nwee ike iji ofu obi wee na-aga n'obodo bụ Naịjirịa, anyị nwee ike iji ofu obi wee pụta Chukwu ga-enye anyị onye ga-achị anyị na Jizọs.
Ka ya bụ mmemme si wee gaa, kedu ka isi wee hụ ya?
Otu mmemme si wee gaa taa, ile anya ịhụtatụ na the hall juru eju, people nọkwa n'ezi, and ife pụrụ iche ndị Igbo ji na-eji ihe ha na-apụta na akụ ekwe. Ọ bụrụ na akụ ekwe, ọ bụrụ na ịpụta ị na-ekwutọsị ndị Igbo ife ndị Igbo na-ede n'akwụkwọ, ibi were anya gị gbaa Krismas ya bụ apụta asị onye Igbo ya chi na ịsọpọtụ onye Igbo, ihe apụtara dị ka eze ife nọ ebe a, eze Igbo na ebe a, sọmọbụ ndị eze niile nọcha ebe a, wee tụọ ire mere otu Igbo ga-esi wee gaa n'ihu.
Ọ dị mma nna anyị. Nke a gosiri gị na ndị Igbo nwere ike isi ụta wee chịkọta onwe ha ọnụ n'udo, kachasị na steeti a bụ Lagos anyị nọ n'ime ya.
Ile anya fụ ihe na-aga n'obodo a, Chineke ga-enye anyị ọchịchị. Ọ bụrụ na ike nke aka anyị, ma Chukwu ga-eji aka ya wee nye anyị ọchịchị. Igbo ya larịrị n'aha Jizọs.
Anatala one of Iweland Akiweche in Lagos State, and the deputy chairman of this inauguration committee. What happened here today? It is unprecedented in the history and annals of Igbo in Lagos. It has never happened like this. That the headquarters of Ohaneze Ndigbo from Enugu set up an electoral committee, conducted election in the 57 local governments in Lagos and also at the state level, and winners emerged. It has never happened before. Now, again today, you have seen leaders, all the leaders of Ndigbo coming here to say this is the Ohaneze Ndigbo that all the Igbos have come together to elect. And another thing that is unique in the election that we had recently, that whose winners has won in today, is that it covered all segments of Ndigbo. Ndigbo Lagos were represented, Igbo speaking community were represented, Aki Kenga was represented. It's a complete bastard, it's not of Igbo origin. So with this, I think that the much canvas unity of Ndigbo has come to stay.
The police secretary elect inaugurated today of Ohaneze Ndigbo Lagos State. Thank you. Yeah, I think from today's event, we now have a new Ohaneze team as EXCO, same ambition, with inventive ideas to create a new Ohaneze in Lagos State. Our President Solomon Obonagoye was elected, and we were the ones that campaigned for him in all the local government and LCDA. This team, if you look at what happened today, it's very unique. It's an amazing event. It was well organized, well attended by leaders of all the different Apex groups. This is to show that Ohaneze, with the leadership of our PG National, the President General, and Nyawodo, considers a new sheriff is in town, and we're ready to take the Igbos both in Lagos State and national to the next level.
So you are saying unity.
That's the thing. That's the real thing. When we were campaigning in all the local governments in Lagos State, 20 local governments, 27 LCDAs, it was our campaign because we found that the Igbos, because of our nature, we are people that like to be recognized, like to be noticed, have so much to give. We have so much strength. So we found that the only way we can use our strength to create an influence is by having that unity. And that is why the theme of Solomon's campaign report or campaign idea was Igbo unity. And that is what we're going to do. You can see what has happened today.